Hello everyone, this is Yash and today we'll be solving the question types of triangle. You are given a zero indexed array nums of size 3 which can form the sides of a triangle. A triangle is an equilateral triangle if it has all sides of equal lengths, isosceles if it has two sides of equal lengths, and scalene if all its sides are of different lengths. Return a string representing the type of triangle that can be formed or none if a triangle cannot be formed. So let's look at the first case. All the sides are equal, so we return equilateral. For the second case, all the sides are not equal, so we return scalene. Let's start with our base conditions. That would be if, since we only have two sides, we can check three sides. We can check if nums0 equals to nums1 and nums1 is equal to nums2, because if nums0 is equal to nums1 and nums1 is equal to nums2, therefore nums0 and nums2 are also equal. So we can return this. Now the second case which we can have is if nums0 is not equal to nums1 and nums1 is not equal to nums2 and nums2 is not equal to nums0, we can return scalene. Yeah. Another case which we have is if a triangle cannot be formed. So what we can check here is else if the sum of two sides of a triangle, any two sides of a triangle, is less than the third side or equal to the third side, then a triangle cannot be formed. We can use the same and write if nums0 plus nums1 is less than equal to nums2. Now we have these two cases here and we can just copy them down for two more. Yeah, 0 1 2, next pair could be 1 2 0, and then it could be 2 0 1. If that is the case, we return none. Otherwise, the triangle that is formed is isosceles, so we can directly copy it, return isosceles. Now we have tackled through all our four conditions that we thought of earlier, that is if the sides are equal, equilateral, if none of the sides are equal, is scalene, and if two sides are equal, then it's isosceles, which we have kept as our base condition, and if a triangle cannot be formed, we return none. Okay, the case has failed. Output is scalene, but it's not. Okay, we should place this condition before this because none of the sides are equal and it returns scalene, but a triangle cannot be formed in the same case. Okay, let's use this test case and add some more from our cells. Equilateral, isosceles, scalene, and a triangle cannot be formed. Let's run for all of these four cases. Okay. I'll be providing the link to both the solutions in the description. Thank you.